Adobe have now introduced a new Premiere Pro workflow. When you now click the New Project button in the Start screen, or you select File, New Project, it will open up in the new Import interface. It will allow you to specify the name of your project, where the project is going to be saved, and now include which media you're going to open up your project with. You'll name your project. I'm going to call this one New Import Workflow. So I'm going to use the drop down menu here. I'm going to choose a new location. I'm going to select the folder New Import Workflow. This folder already contains my media and render output folder. I'm going to choose that folder to save my project. I can then also at this point choose where I want to get my media from. I'm going to double click on the New Import Workflow folder. This allows me then to go in and see what's inside that particular location. I can then choose my media folder. I can then select from within inside that folder any of the files that I want to use. When they're highlighted in blue, they are going to be included in your project. You can also now at the same time, over in the import settings, create a new bin. Click the little button to the right hand side. It will activate in a bright blue. You can then type the name of your bin. I'm going to use media. You then click create. This will then import your files and take you into the editing workspace. You'll notice here it's switched from import to edit.